Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix yellow screen with 3 solutions in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on display and brightness. So the first solution is, first of all, turn off this true tone button, and when you turn off this true tone button it will fix your problem. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then click on night shift and turn off this night shift buttons. Turn off both buttons and this will fix your problem. And if these both solutions don't work, then open settings and in settings click on accessibility and then click on display and text size. Now scroll down and click on color filters, and if you have turned on color filters button, make sure you turn off this color filter button. And after turning off this color filter button, your yellow screen will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.